Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find scan settings on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on this settings icon here, and now here you will find scan settings. Click on it, and as you see you can manage your scan settings easy and quick. And that's how to find scan settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.